welcome back to my channel. So I think you have already guessed by the thumbnail that today we'll be unboxing iPhone 11. And so this is my old phone, that is Redmi 9 Pro Max. So I had been using this for almost 2 years and it's pretty new and it has no scratches, nothing. There's no problem with this phone. I just wanted to switch from Android to Apple phones. So I am making a video on this old phone of mine because this is also very dear to me, because this is the first phone that I ever purchased with my own money. So the price of this phone when I bought was around 18,000, but now it might have reduced. As the technology is advancing, and every day we get to see new varieties of phones, so we get attracted to it. So I mean, like, किन्नु पनि मन लाग्छ है. ती फोनहरु आउटडेटेड हुँदै जान्छ, we just keep it or we just throw it, so all those generate e-waste, electronic waste. So instead of that, what we can do is we can exchange our old phones and then we can buy the new one which we want to. Similarly, Amazon has this facility where you can exchange your old phone and you can buy a new phone from their store, and you get the value of that old phone, and then only the remaining amount you have to pay. So in this way you will get some money from the old phone, as well as there'll be no waste, no e-waste at your home, and you can exchange and you get a new phone. So finally, after waiting for many days, I received my parcel from Amazon late in the evening around 6 p.m. So here is the delivery boy and he's unboxing my iPhone, and I'm making it sure that it is not a fake product or a soap inside the box. One thing you should always do when you buy cell phone from online is that you should make a video, so that in case if there is any problem with the device, or if it turns out to be fake, or if there is a damage, then you can send this video and then you can get it replaced from the online store. So the another way through which you can find your iPhone is original or not is that in your iPhone box you can find out the IMEI number. So now you can visit the Apple's website and put this IMEI number. So after writing down the IMEI number, if you find this page where it's written eligible, then you can relax that it is an original product. So the original price was 73,600, but due to this Amazon Great Indian Festival, it had to reduce to 50,000. So with that amount, after I exchanged with my old phone, I again got some amount reduced, and the final price was around 37,000, okay, with 100 rupees extra as exchange pickup service. So those of you who are interested in buying or exchanging phones from online store or from Amazon, here, so you can purchase it. So that's it for today, and if you loved my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.